In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about peer-to-peer lending. I'm going to tell you what exactly it is, how it works, and how we can take advantage of peer-to-peer lending. I'm also going to tell you about a peer-to-peer lending platform where I have been personally investing for a number of years now, and I've had amazing experience with them. So stay tuned till the end for that. Hey, what's up guys? You're watching Boss Your Money with Anthony. Don't forget to turn the like button blue and subscribe down below, and let's get straight into the video. So a lot of small to medium companies need a little bit of extra capital from time to time to increase their operating cash flow so that they can service their customers' orders. So normally when a company needs that short-term capital boost, what they usually do is go to the bank and they apply for a business loan. The problem with business loans and banks is that, first of all, it's a very lengthy and very complicated application process. And once you've been approved, they then take a long time to actually release the funds. And the biggest problem of all is that the interest rates are very, very high. And the interest costs are actually a big burden to the company's profits. So that's where peer-to-peer lending comes into play. Peer-to-peer lending is when you and I can go and offer small amounts of loans to these companies, and as a cumulative, they'll be able to achieve what they're actually looking to borrow. So let's say that the company is trying to borrow $100,000 and I'm willing to loan $100 of my own money. Let's say you are willing to loan $500 of your money, and they also find 1,000 other people who are willing to loan them some money. So what happens is that the company now has all the money that they need to fulfill their services and their orders, and at the same time they've got the money much faster. And because it is us that is giving the money to these companies, the interest rates are actually much lower, and they also have the options to pay it off in 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. So it is very short term. Along with the fact that the interest rates are low, companies are really attracted by peer-to-peer lending. I hope I've made myself clear. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comment section down below. So let's get a little bit more in detail about how this works. Let's say company ABC has asked for $100,000 and I have offered my $100,000 to the company, and I've told that company that I'm going to lend you this money at 22% interest per annum. But then you have offered the company that you are going to give them $100,000, but you only want 20%. So what happens is that there is a whole bidding situation that happens, and what happens is when multiple people bid over the interest rates, it keeps reducing. But keep in mind that for us as an investor, it is still a very good deal for us, because we are eventually going to be landing somewhere between the 10 to 15% ROI. So to lend money for just 1 to 3 years and get up to 15% ROI is almost unheard of, because it is such a simple way to invest. The platform that I have been doing my peer-to-peer lending with is Beehive.ae. I will leave links in the description below so you can check it out if you are interested in starting to invest. But their platform is so beautiful because not only are they DFSA approved, which is Dubai Financial Services Authority, they are indeed regulated by the DFSA, but also they do have a vetting process. They don't just let any company come and ask for money. They do have a detailed, in-depth vetting process, and they make sure for the most part these companies are legit and they are going to pay you back. I started investing with Beehive somewhere around 2016, if I'm not wrong, and so far I've never had a problem with recovering my money. What I personally do is that I like to invest small amounts, but with every company that's listed on the Beehive platform. What this does is that it gives me the diversification that is needed to reduce my risks, but at the same time, I've been averaging about 13% per annum returns from Beehive. I will point out though that now recently, because of the current world situation, I have been facing problems with some companies not being able to repay my loans. I completely understand that this is the current situation at play here and not the platform or the model itself. And I'm going to definitely continue to invest with Beehive because Overall, I'm already in the green and I've already made way more than I have invested. So I'm more than happy to continue to reinvest those profits and keep growing my wealth. This is a very short video, short introduction to peer-to-peer lending and Beehive. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like me to do an in-depth review and a walkthrough of the Beehive platform. I'll be more than happy to do it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But before we go, please don't forget to turn the like button blue and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.